Hello, you welcome to our SolidWorks tutorial course in our Advantage tube. Please subscribe and share us. Thank you. First, we need to start working on with the interface of the SolidWorks, how it looks. Okay, the preview from the home tab preview, we'll see all one by one. First, we need to open the SolidWorks software itself from the computer. So we can go to the search bar and search for SolidWorks. Type SolidWorks, then it will open the preview. Okay, also 1 minute it may take to open the preview. Okay, wait for it and we will see one by one also. Today we will see a basic introduction about the SolidWorks software. It is one of the mechanical modeling, solid modeling, and somehow simulating software. Whatever manufactured components first need to be designed, and priorly designed component must also be simulated before it can go to manufacturing steps. So SolidWorks here, it has opened now. Here we see as the first preview homepage for SolidWorks software. So there exists parts here, assembly here. First, we need to go for a part drawing. So I have opened the part drawing session. Actually, this one is another option. So you will see the preview for SolidWorks like this. Okay, SolidWorks here. You will see the preview. SolidWorks software icon is there. Their logos, SolidWorks logos is there, and there exists file systems, files. There exists edit menus, view, insert, tools, windows, help. This all had to have their own functionalities to work on with this software. Okay. So there exists in evaluate here. We are in evaluate. First, we need to see the details for features. For example, at the first beginning, we see here the features. In features, there exists extruded boss, revolved boss. In another menu also, in another tab also, there exists sketch. In sketch, there exists sketch icon, smart dimensioning icon, line, rectangle, okay, slot, straight slots, circle, arc, okay, polygon, spline, ellipse, okay. This text, when you need to write somewhere, text is there, okay, text is there. So these are the specific and detailed parts of the SolidWorks preview of the home page where you need to do on with. Okay, so then also there exists in sketch also there are plenty of things. Okay, plenty of things. Offset is there, convert entities is there, trim is there. When you draw, these things activate. Okay, so we didn't have drawn something component here. So after you draw some specific component, you will get the trim entities activated. Okay, we will see these things, and mirror, linear sketch, move entities. These entities will also be activated as soon as you draw some sketches here in drawing tab. Okay, drawing tab. So there exists convert entities also. There are plenty of things you need to use to draw a simple component. Then evaluate something. Evaluate is a design study. Studs are there. Okay, studs are there. Something like bolt nut icons here is there exists. Measure is there. If you tape is there. Measuring tab. Okay, measuring tab. You need to measure some distance between two parts. You can also measure here. Section properties are there. Sensors are there. Okay, performance sensors here only. You need to model some specific machine which works some specific task. So in the case or in the time of simulation, you need also these things. Sensors you need. Performance evaluation also you will check. Import diagnostics. There are plenty of things here in SolidWorks. Okay, SolidWorks. dimension expert is also there. SolidWorks add-ins are there. By the way, in SolidWorks add-ins, you can insert plenty of SolidWorks parameters that you use to order a specific task to be accomplished for a designing purpose. Okay, so SolidWorks motion or MBD, okay, these are also the SolidWorks CAM is a computer aided manufacturing. Will you integrate the software's designed component to drilling, milling, this such manufacturing CNC components, computer numerical control systems. So here SolidWorks computer aided manufacturing will be integrated together. Okay, you will design some specific component here and you will integrate with such CNC numerical control systems to be manufactured. Here in SolidWorks comes you will get the 2.5 axis mill operations, okay, milling operations, you know, machining operations, whole machining, okay, whole machining operations, 3 axis mill operations. Yeah, plenty of things are there here in SolidWorks. So you will also see here around the basic view options, okay, in this vision of sight, okay, for things, the vision of sight, in which direction you are seeing a specific object, that depends for drawing, okay, for drawing. You are drawing some specific component, means you will start either from top view or front plane, okay, front side by front, okay, the in perpendicular view to your front side, as front view, and front plane you will start here. Top plane you can also start from the top of the object, you can also start to draw, okay. The right side of the plane, okay, right plane also you can start to draw, okay. Then left side drawing also you can start. So these are the basic starting point for a drawing. For example, when I say sketch, something comes here, okay. Those things will be previewed here. You will see the front plane, top plane, right plane. This all depends on the position of your object that needs to be designed, okay. So before selecting these planes to draw, you need to see the position of the object or mechanical component. In which side do I start so I can finish the drawing in short period of time? This is a basic secret, okay, when you are starting to draw a simple mechanical component, or no need to be simple, but you can also start a big component to draw, but the starting point should be based on the position of the object, from which side I can start. If I start drawing from the front plane, for example, how much of the component can I accomplish to draw? In drawing, I can draw. And what if in top plane? If I start my drawing in the top plane, so how much section of the component I can draw? If I can draw, start from the right plane also, how much section of the component I can draw? You know, so for a specific component, for example, a bolt, if 10 students are drawing a bolt, if they have given a exercise task to draw 10 students have exercise task to draw one single component, that's bolt. One may start from the top plane, one may start from the front plane, but it depends on the position of the object, which is provided for a single student. Okay, for example, if he starts to draw in the circle part, then he can accomplish most of the lengthy parts, okay. Then head only he can add, and the threads like that, okay. So this is the basic concept, how we can select the planes for drawing in a SolidWorks.